Hi Fit Zebra, it's Jane. So today I thought we could have a look at making some sound. So I have one of these tin foil trays, but if you don't have one of these at home, I'm sure that a deep baking tin with some foil will be okay. I've got some unicorn sprinkles here, but you can use hundreds and thousands or whatever you've got in your kitchen. I have some rice. I've also got some bird seed, which if you wanted to, you could actually paint. I haven't, but if you wanted to make it nice and bright and stand out, you could. You could also colour your rice if you wanted to. And I've got some of these glass pebbles. So I'm going to start with my unicorn sprinkles. So are you ready for the noise? 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to try my rice. So are you ready? I'm going to pour my rice in. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to try my bird seed. Are you ready? I'm going to pour it in. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. You could put your hands underneath and see if you can feel the vibrations from it. And the last one we're going to do is the glass pebbles. Now, this may be really loud, so are you ready? I'm going to tip them in now. Are you ready? I'm going to start shaking them around. Oh, it's really loud. You could, if you wanted to, you could also use a torch, which will reflect nicely off of the tin foil baking tray. I hope you enjoy doing this activity. Bye.